recently we asked you, the folks at home, what we should build for our next Knucklehead Garage vehicle, and 38% of you chose Prerunner. And since we're on the East Coast, we're in Alabama, in the South, and there are no Prerunners here, what better build would there be than a Prerunner? So that's what we're gonna do next. And since I'm still pretty busy with the Jeep build, getting it ready for some other events, that's where Byron comes in. Action! So you probably know me from my Camo Bronco build. About 13 years ago, I had a 1987 Ford Bronco that I built into a full rock crawler. Of course, we filmed a sell video of it a little over a year ago, and I did sell it. And I've kind of been itching for another build ever since. And so I hit Matt up. He kind of suggested a Prerunner, you know, and I was like, man, we've been wanting to build a Prerunner ever since our first year we went to King of the Hammers. Ever since we've seen a Prerunner ripping in the desert, you know, it was something that we always wanted to build. So it was obvious that was the choice. We actually, Matt and I spent 5 hours in the car one day, coming back from a trip, and we searched the internet for Prerunners, and we came to a website that had the top 10 Prerunners for less than $15,000. Bronco was number 3. Obvious choice. That's what we got to do. So we picked up this 1995 Ford Bronco. We found it locally, paid about $3,000 for it, and well, before we build it, we've got to see what it can do stock. So we're out here at Stoney Lonesome, and we're going to rip up around their short course and see what it can do. Just send it. Folks, Byron's not hitting it very hard, so I might have to go take the wheel. So you might be asking, why Bronco? Well, first of all, we wanted something that could seat 4 people. And what better thing than a Bronco? It's got a factory TTB, which is way tougher than a solid axle. It works really good. Another thing I was looking for a Bronco was I definitely wanted the 5.8 liter, and I was actually looking for a specific block. It's called an F4TE block. This block is actually roller ready, and in some cases I already had a roller cam installed. So we lucked out on this one. It has all those features, and it's an XLT, so it came with leather seats. Need you some out there to play with her? Look at that pretty exhaust. With this specific block, we're looking to actually probably do some power adders in the future. Maybe try to get it over 300 horsepower with not a lot of money. I just gave Byron some words of encouragement. Maybe he'll send it this time. It just soaked that right up. Like, no problem. So funny. Isn't it amazing how it jumps stock? Yeah, you should be able to just jump even higher than that. How far does it come off the ground? 12 inches? Yeah, maybe. Yeah. You got 3-4 foot easy. God, this jump's just perfect. Yeah, you can land over there.
And it'd still be down.
Soft landing.
Yeah. That's more like it. It lands so good, stock. All right, this is too much fun. My turn. So I've never hit this short course track in a Bronco, much less a stock vehicle. So wish me luck. Matt sees what it's like to jump a Bronco stock. He's grinning from ear to ear. Oh my God, that was awesome. I can't believe a stock Bronco will jump like that. I feel like I could have done like a slap wheelie out of it. That was epic. I can't wait to do some modifying on this thing and see if we can huck it even higher. So we know we got a lot of stuff we want to do to this Bronco. We're definitely keeping the Ford engine, and we got some suspension work to do. Other than that, we want to leave it up to you. We want to hear what you got to say. Please post in the comments below what you'd like to see us do with it. We definitely want to sail it over the jumps on some of our next episodes, so stay tuned.